This is the HCmaker 7 from eBay. It's got a build area of 310 by 310 by 410. Now, when I got it, it had various problems with it, like a lot of the budget printers. Currently retails for around £249. The head was loose, so that had to be, the 3 screws had to be slackened off and it had to be adjusted. The cable for the heated bed, what had happened was, if you look at these here, they're the same on the back, and the cable would get stuck in there, so it was I had to do that modification on the back of it. The other thing as well, the supplied screw holder is slippy, so when it was stood on the unit it was no good, it kept pulling off without it being taped down. So I've ended up doing that and putting them there. The bed I've had to do a modification because the original wing nuts was back there and it was an absolute nightmare to get set up level. What was happening was, as soon as you slacken it off, it would go really loose, the wing nut, but it'd just be right. So now I've done the modification that cost £12, bought some steel and altered the bed so it's on all 4 corners now, so it's a lot better at getting things level. It's a control box. It's not too bad. It does have a slot for a full-size SD card, and that works fine. But I've currently got it connected to the PC. I'm doing a heavy line at the moment. The bed was advertised as doing 100 Celsius, which it won't. It'll only do 78. That's as high as I've ever got it to go, so it's no good for ABS. I've tried doing TPU on it and well, flex PLA. Again, that was no good. That wouldn't stick to the bed properly. I've not tried it again since. The wires are a pain, as you can see. Down there, you've got to be really careful what you're doing with them. It's got 2 Z-axis motors, stepper motors, which isn't too bad. It's when it's up and running, it's not a bad little printer for the money. It's half the price of the CR10S, which this is basically what it's a clone of. And the only thing I've noticed really, if you want parts, it's supposed to be 24 boxes. I don't think you'll be able to get a knot end for it, the whole system, but the rest of it shouldn't be too much of a problem to get the parts. The only problem is if any of these wires go on the chain, there could be an issue getting those replaced. You'd have to probably replace individual wires and rewire it all yourself. But yeah, before I put the wood on the back, the plug had partially disconnect as well. I've used some of the nuts the spare nuts that come with it for putting attaching the wood on the back. Because I've done the bed modification for the levelling, I've had to do the cutout, as you can see there. But this is what I'm doing, the air reliant. It's on Thingiverse, and that's going to take another 1 hour and 21 minutes because it's a small version. I'm doing the one that with the boom on it. Now I noticed sometimes before I alter the bed, the head would drag on part of the print, and if it was like this where it's doing small bit, it'd end up ripping it off. But I have, like I say, since tightened the head up so that's no longer slack. A lot of the A-nets have got a loose printing head as well, so it just must be a quality control issue at the factory. Now and again it does slightly catch it, but it's a lot better than what it was since setting it up with the bed there. Then I've got the Xbox 360 camera mount, that's all sorted out. Now when I got it, everything was labelled, even the cable there, you can see the label on it, but it never told me in the instructions which one to plug it in. So with the one I've been writing on and one not, I thought, I'll plug it into the writing one, and well, it would work everything apart from the hot end, so I had to shut it down and put it into the one at the back. That's the only real problem, and the loose hot end and obviously the bed leveling system being pathetic. So it's 3 problems. The bed took about an hour to sort out because I used an angle grinder to shape the metal to the correct size, but that's 4mm thick and 20mm wide steel. I've yet to paint it, so it doesn't rust. Fairly simple modification. It's gone into the original holes where the original wing nuts was and the bolts, but I've had to do another hole into the aluminium so it stops it wobbling, so it's all nice and still. But apart from that, it's cracking out some half decent prints, to be fair. And yesterday I did one of these. This is the broken one, what I did first, and resized it to 1.1 times magnification, and it works no problem. So that's the one that was faulty. But yeah, it's apart from those 3 issues, it's not a bad printer for £249 from eBay UK, and that's the HCmaker 7.